Good morning, everybody. It's 5:17 in the morning, and we are running a bit late for our morning ride with the group. Just need to start this for a while, and oops, need to fix this. Straining and calling. भागने बोल. हाँ वही तो रास्ता है. रुक चिदू. Okay, reaching in 2 minutes. हाँ. That was my nephew. So we are set. Let's move. So right now we are crossing Vidyasagar Setu. A lot of riders have caught up with us, so we should be making pretty good time right about now, barring any unforeseen circumstances. This part of stopping and going is tedious, to say the least. Well, as I was saying before, see you on the highway. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are back on the empty open highway, making decent time. Now to just reached Dhulagarh toll plaza, where the rest of the people are already waiting for us. But today our destination is not just limited to Dhulagarh. We will cross that and go to Kharagpur, to TWM Academy. TWM Academy is actually by Travel with Mriganko. Mriganko, a gem of a person. He's a pretty experienced rider, has been riding for quite a long while, and he also plays competitions, rallies and things like that. So he was generous enough to operate this boot camp for novice off-road riders like us, so that we can get the basics of how to learn to ride our bikes, not specifically the dirt bike, off-roads. And I think that is pretty important, to know your bike and how it will handle off-road terrains. So, pretty excited about that. The road ahead is a bit long. It will take us around 2.5 hours from now. So after a short stop at Dhulagarh, we will be moving on and hope Kurama, oh boy, performs according to expectation, which I know you will. I do not think I'm the only one who talks to my bike, right? Most of us do, because guys. They take all our tantrums, all our issues, and take it without a complaint. So, almost reached. Well, not almost. We have reached Dhulagarh Toll Plaza. Now to just catch up with all the other people who have already made it before us. And take it accordingly. See what comes of it. Oh. Whoop, we overshot a bit. And you can see the orange Ronins are all here. কি খবর এত তাড়াতাড়ি তোর তোর কি করে ঘুমটুম কিছু নেই না ডাক্তারবাবু মর্নিং
গুড মর্নিং
এস
তুমি কি 15 মিনিটে এলে নাকি
বেসিক্যালি তাই টানলাম
আমি কি আর পড়লাম না কারণ এখানে চেম্বার যাব তো
আচ্ছা না না বেকার অত অত গরমে বেকার পরে গিয়ার পরে লাভ নেই
সাবধানে চালাতে হবে
হ্যাঁ কি তোমার আজকে একদম কি তুমি তো একদম পুরো ক্লিন টিন থাকো কি হয়েছে আজকে
এটাই তো ওকে বলছিলাম যে যা চাপাচাপি চলছে
হ্যাঁ
মানে মাথা খারাপ হয়ে যাবে আমি শুধু এই রিফ্রেশমেন্টের জন্য বেরোলাম আজকে না হলে আমার তাও হতো
মাথা খারাপ হয়ে যাচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ আরে 10টা 10:30টা কোনোদিন 12টাও বাজছে বাড়ি যেতে
হায় কপাল আমার
নাইস
ওই তো স্টিকারোপিডিয়া থেকে
ও পজিটিভ
আমি তো বললাম ওটাই সবচেয়ে ভালো জায়গা ওরা রিজনেবল মোটামুটি খারাপ না
কোথায় ওটা এটা লোকেশনটা কোথায় এটা হচ্ছে শ্রীরামপুর আমার বাড়ির কাছে শ্রীরামপুরে হ্যাঁ ladies and gentlemen we have reached Dhulagarh Toll Plaza. See, this is what dreams are made of. The mighty BMW 1250 JS in the flesh itself. Other world. We have a 6R, we have a 1000 SX, a S1 KR, a Diavel, a 650, and a Z. And the other big boys just hold it. S1000 RR, a Z, recently a 10R by the looks of it. Yep, 10R, and a RC390. Lineup is lineupping, boys. We are here with our little Ronins, a few KTM ADV 390s, a few Meteors, Hunters, a CV350 RS. All going good, I must say. And also a beautiful Apache RR3 tank. Now this is a beauty, the green beauty. এই asymmetric headlights গুলোর জন্য আরেকবার Ladies and gentlemen, we have a rev up.
পুরো ফাঁকা না
হ্যাঁ
পুরো ফাঁকা না
straight pipes. Streamers. We have the 390s here. We have Purnavoda right in front of us. I think this is Shodov. Yes, this is Shodov. try switching the map to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. A lot of bikes today, but I think we'll slow down a bit, let others catch up. There's another 390, an RS. No, this is a Highness. This is Onukul. I know him. And that is Srijon and Kosavan, the orange Ronin. When a group of Ronins cruise by, the sound, oh my god, the sound. People say the Hunter's exhaust note is good in this particular price range. I, gentlemen, beg to differ. There is nothing better than the Ronin's exhaust note in this particular price range. And I'm ready to die on this hill. You can come at me in the comments. The price is down. Let's roll, boys. We have almost reached Kolaghat. This is where we say goodbye to the other guys and move forward, because our destination is not Kolaghat today, it's Kharagpur. TWM Academy by Mrigankoda. We have a boot camp there. So, see you a bit far ahead. So, this is where we say goodbye to the other guys. Chalo, tata. Next time. 1 hour 44 minutes. Need to get oil. Let's go. Kurama, I will get you fixed soon.